guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm gonna show you how to get this makeup look. This look is super dramatic. Yes, I know it's not gonna be very easy for beginners. I was inspired by this look on Instagram by Stacey Marie MUA. If you're not following her, you should. She is super talented. The color blue is just in right now for this season, so I wanted to make sure that I created a blue makeup tutorial for you guys here on my channel. We're gonna get right into it. I hope you enjoy it. So if you wanna see how to get this look, then please keep watching. I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes with Tarte Tape Shape in the color medium. Just gonna tap that in with a flat brush. For the first transition color, I'm going to dip into my Morphe 35B palette and pick up this purple here. I'm going to mix in a little bit of this one as well. Next, I'm going to pick up this navy blue from the Juvia's Place Magic palette and place that directly under the purple. I'm going to go back in with my first brush and blend over everything. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the dark blue, place it right here on the outer V. I'm going to go back in with my first brush and a little bit more of that purple and blend out the edges. Next, I'm going to take this off black from the Jaclyn Hill palette, place it right in the crease here. I'm going to go back in with the brush we applied the navy blue with and blend out the edges. I know this might be looking a little scary now, like we got punched in the eye, but you got to trust the process. I'm going to go back in with a fluffy brush and a little bit of purple on the brush and just blend out the edges. For the lid, I'm going to go in with a flat brush and a pigment from MAC called Winter Sky. I'm going to wet my brush with a little Fix Plus and pick up the pigment and apply it right to the lid. Applying the pigment little by little because I don't want to get much fallout since my face is already complete. I'm going to bring that pigment a lot higher up than I normally would. Almost to where it meets the brow bone. Next, I'm going to take my Stila Magnificent Metal in the color Diamond Dust, and I'm going to add it right on top of the pigment. Next, I'm going to go back in with that off black color and smoke out the lash line. I'm going to blend that out with a small blending brush. I added false lashes off camera. I'm going to start working on the bottom lash line. I'm first going to take those two purples we used on the crease from the Morphe palette and add them to the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to add the navy blue to the lower lash line. Now to clean up the outer edge here just a little bit, I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer in my concealer brush. You don't want to clean it up too much because you want the eye look to be a little messy and kind of grungy. Blend that out with the brush. Now to kind of diffuse the line, I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and blend over it. I'm going to add a slight brow bone highlight. I'm taking this color here from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take that same color for my inner tear duct. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm going to take a little bit of Heroin lipstick by MAC and apply it to the waterline. This is what Stacey Marie said she did. I'm going to contour with Bahama Mama by The Balm. I'm going to bronze with my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the color Deep. Since this look is pretty dramatic, I'm going to skip out on blush and I'm going to go straight in with setting spray. I use MAC Fix Plus. Before my setting spray dries down, I'm going to go in with highlighter. This one is Bronze Glow by Bobbi Brown. See that? I love it. Gonna add some down the bridge of my nose and right on the tip. For lips, obviously I'm gonna go with something very nude. I'm gonna start by lining my lips with Cork Liner by MAC. I'm gonna go in with Sand Liquid Lipstick by Dose of Colors. Using my fingers to blend that in. I'm going to go right on top with the Nude Gloss by Maybelline. Okay guys, that completes this super dramatic makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video, which is usually twice a week on Sundays and Wednesdays. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of that down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye.